Hello, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tija. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add a logo to a table chart using Power BI and how to add this company logo to a table chart using Power BI. Before I do that, remember to subscribe, drop a comment, share to let me be doing this for you every week. So before we do that, I'll quickly go to our Excel workbook. So before we add this logo to our table chart, we need to go back to our Excel workbook. So this is our Excel workbook. So we have the delivery company here. So before we need to create a column where we can add the link, the image link. So we create a new column. So we create a new column here. So insert, can give it a name logo. So we give it a name like logo. We give a name like logo. So before we start bringing in our link, we need to filter the delivery company. So let's go with DHL. So DHL is the first company we have on the list. So we go with DHL. So let's go and get the link to DHL logo. So you open your browser, you type DHL logo. So you click on this. So you right click to get the logo. So you come down to we have copy image link. Copy image link. So you click on it. So you go back to our Excel workbook. So we paste Ctrl V. So adjust the cell, copy everything. So you come to the home tab, you come to the editing, you say fill everything down. So we fill it down. So we go up again. So we go back. So we pick FedEx. So we are done with DHL. We pick FedEx. The next company is FedEx. So we go back to our browser. So we go to with FedEx. I'm looking for FedEx logo. FedEx logo. So you can pick any one of your choice, but remember to pick exact logo of the company. So we go with this. You right click, copy image link, copy image link. We go back, Ctrl V. So we highlight everything. We come down here, you fill it down. We go up. So we're done with FedEx. We need to move to the next one, which is UPS. Which is UPS. So we go to our browser. Go to our browser. We type in UPS. So you click on this. So you right click, copy image link. Go back to our Excel workbook. We paste it, Ctrl V. We highlight everything. So we come here to fill down. We fill it down with the image link. So we go back up. We will move to the last one, which is USPS. So we go back to our browser. We add an S here, USPS. We go with this logo. So you right click, you copy image link, go back to our browser. Sorry, go back to our Excel workbook. You Ctrl V to paste. You highlight everything. So you come here to fill down. So you don't filling it down. So we're going to clear our filter, then close our workbook. Clear our filter. Before you close your workbook, remember to save it. So Control S to save our workbook. We close it and go back to our Power BI. Go to our Power BI. So we go to Get Data, Excel Workbook. So we have it here. So we close and load to Power BI. So we go with this. So we are going to load it directly to Power BI, so we don't need to transform it. So close and load. So remember to subscribe, drop a comment, and share the link. I'll be doing this every week. So we have done that. So we go to our table view to look at it. So this is the link, the logo, the color we created. These are the link to the company image. So we go to our report view. So we go to click on table. So we have it here. So we open our data. So we bring in delivery company down here. Okay. So we have on logo. Before we do that, we need to format this column. So we click on it. So we come to column tools. Click on data category. So you click on image URL. So not web, because we're not looking for, we're looking for an image. So you click on image URL. Click on the image URL. So now drag it here. So you have it there. So you have it there. So let's quickly bring on unit sold. So bring your unit sold somewhere here. Unit sold. So you adjust the table again. So let's quickly format this. Click on that. So I have your unit sold. So you can't leave it like this. So you can do some adjustment. You come here. So you come to image size. You can give it any number. So I give it mine at 30. So we have it there. We have successfully added a logo to your analysis. So we have it here. So DHL, some of delivery company. We have it there. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. I'll come again next week to drop another video for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.